Hello and welcome. We are at Ravindra Bhavan Madgaon, and today is the prize distribution ceremony of national toppers of spelling bee and handwriting competition. On the day one, we had taken some bites and we had spoken to a few of the students who had participated and won the competition. Today also we will be speaking to few of the students and get their reaction on the competition.
My name is Aditya. I am from Bhavan Sri Ramakrishna Vidyalaya, Sainikpuri, Secunderabad. The national level was really challenging. I am proud of myself to get the first rank, and it motivates me to participate more in Spellbee competition. I would like to thank our zonal coordinator, Mr. Solomon sir, my parents and my teachers for motivating me to participate in Spellbee competition. Thank you.
I'm Asmita, Tenderheart School, Jharkhand.
So this is your first time for the competition.
Yes.
So you enjoyed it.
Yes.
How was the experience?
It was very nice.
So which were the words you learned new?
Lots of new words.
In future, you would like to participate for in more such competition.
Yes.
My name is Devdeep Biswas. I'm from GD Goenka Public School, Siliguri. It was great to represent my school, GD Goenka Public School in Goa. I was very confident that time. Some of my friends participated.
Okay, so you will motivate more students to participate also
Yes.
next year. And this is your first time.
No, I stood up the national second rank last time.
So this year also you participated. So next year, if the competition is held again,
Yes.
सर म्हाका सांगा तुम्ही आता ह्या कॉम्पिटिशना खातीर येयल्ले कशें दिसता?
खूब बरें दिसता. इंचेस जे कितें आमी वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रांत काम करतात ताजी बेज जी आसा म्हाका दिसता हो कार्यक्रम असो म्हाका दिसलो. आमची येणारी फुडली पिढी कशे पद्दतीन ती तयार जावंक जाय, ताजो इंटेलिजन्स कसो वयर सरचो आनी आमच्या देशाचें नांव कशें मोठें जावचें ही म्हाका दिसता श्री गणेशा ताजें आसा. आनी म्हाका खूब ह्या कार्यक्रमांत बरें दिसलें की एक्स्ट्रा स्कूल बेंगलोर आणि ह्युमन रायट्स एसोसिएशन गोवा आणि ताजे अध्यक्ष बाब खांडेपारकर आणि हाजे जे हे आसात हे गोंय दोगांनी मेळून हो दुसऱ्यांदा गोंयांत कार्यक्रम दवरलेलो आसा. आमची जी यंग पिढी आहा ताका जर योग्य पद्दतीचे संस्कार आनी ताका जर मोटिवेशन आतां ल्हानपणाक जर मेळ्ळें जाल्यार ही मनशां खूब व्हड जावंक शकतात आनी आमच्या देशाचें नांव आनी समाजाचें नांव वयर काडूंक शकतात. आनी ताका लागून अशे तरेचे कार्यक्रम हे जावची गरज आसा. आनी म्हाका खूब उमेद दिसली की नवनाथ बाबान सांगलें की हांगा एक परमनंट वेन्यू ह्या सगळ्या हाजो करपाची एक तयारी तेंच्या हें पळोवन आनी म्हाका खूब उमेद जाल्ली आसा. आनी ह्या एक बऱ्या कामाक म्हणजे खरोखरूच आमी म्हणटात की 2047 आमचो देश जगांतलो एक नंबर देश आमकां फुडें वचूं जायो जाल्यार ह्या कार्यक्रमाची खूब गरज आसा. आमच्या युवा पिढीक आमच्या ल्हान भुरग्यांक आमचो देश कितें आनी जे इंटेलिजंट खंय तरी धांपून उरिल्लें गेल्या हितूंतल्यान. कारण आमचेर तो वेगळ्या वेगळ्या तरेचो पगडो आशिल्लो, परंतु आज समाज इल्लो एज्युकेशनान फुडें वता आनी तातूंत हे एक्स्ट्रा स्कूल जे आसा तातूंत तांकां आनीक मोठे पंख दिवपाचें काम ते निश्चितपणे करतात आनी हें कामाक सगळ्यांचें सहकार्य जाय. हांव गोंयच्या सगळ्या स्कुलांक सगळ्या भुरग्यांक अपील करतां की तांणी ह्या कंपिटिशन म्हणजे रायटींग हें कंपिटिशन जें आसा, रायटींग कंपिटिशन आसा किंवा स्पेल कंपिटिशन आसा, ह्या कंपिटिशनाक जर भाग घेतलो जाल्यार आज ल्हान ल्हान भुरगीं म्हाकाच खबर ना की आमच्या शेजारचे 2 भुरग्यांक हें मेळिल्लें आसा, प्रायज मेळिल्लें आसा. आनी म्हणूनच जास्तीत जास्त सहभाग गोंयच्या भुरग्यांचो जावंक जायो. हांव एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटाक आमचे शेटये बाब आसा बोर्डाचे चेअरमॅन तांकांय विनंती करता की तांणी आपलें हें वापरून आमकां हांगा इल्लीशी मदत करची. आनी मॅक्झिमम भुरगीं गोंयची म्हणजे गोंयांक अशें हिडन टॅलंट आसा आनी हें तुका तांकां जागोवपाचें काम जें आसा ही संस्था करता. प्लॅटफॉर्म मेळपाक जाय तांकां हे सगळें फुडें वचपाक आनी तो प्लॅटफॉर्म मेळ्ळा तातूंत आमी सगळ्यांनी प्रयत्न करून तें वाडोवंक जायो आनी आमचें टॅलंट वयर काडून गोंय तशें सगळे कडेन जगांक फामूद आहा आनी ह्या टॅलंटाच्या आदाराचेर आनी इल्लेशें वयर निश्चितपणे वयतलें असो म्हजो पूर्ण विश्वास आसा. आनी म्हणून जें कितें योगदान ह्या सगळ्याक दिवंक जाय आमी बरोबर आसतले सगळे मेळून हें सगळें आमी हो रथ फुडें व्हरुया जगन्नाथाचो आनी आमच्या देशाक नांव मेळोवन दिवया. देव बरें करूं.
Thank you, sir. Your name?
Avyagda Gupta, Lawrence High School, Karnataka.
This is your first time you participated?
Yes.
From childhood, your handwriting was good or you have improved with your practice?
practice.
So who guided you?
My father.
So next year, if the competition is held again, you will participate.
Yes. Shazi Nadim Rajkoli, St. Joseph Convent High School, Belgavi.
So this was your first time you participated.
Yeah. I has practiced my handwriting from back. I want to participate. I have interest in handwriting, so I has taken a handwriting and take a trophy from here.
So next year, if it is again organized, you will participate.
Yes.
You will also tell your friends to participate.
Yeah.
आदरणीय मंत्र्यांनी श्रीपादजी भाऊन जशें सांगलें तशें की ही जी एक्टिविटी आसा न्ही एक बऱ्यापैकी एक्टिविटी आसा आनी जवळ जेन्ना देशांतले जवळ 15 स्टेटींतल्यान जेन्ना हांगा भुरगे येतात आनी तांकां प्रायजीस मेळटा तेंच दाखयता की ही एक्टिविटी केदें व्हडल्या प्रमाणांत जी आसा ती दाखयना आनी हातूंतल्यान कशें आसा एक बरी जी संवय आसा ती भुरग्यांक लागूंक जाय ती ल्हानपणा पासून लागूंक जाय एक स्पेलिंगाक बरी करप इंग्लिशींतली बरी स्पेलिंगां करप त्याच बरोबर रायटींग स्कील जी आसा न्ही ही हातूंतल्यानय शिकोवंक जाता आनी ल्हानपणा पासून जर ही जर संवय लायली न्ही जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता ती तशीच उरतली आनी बरी संवय ही सदांच भुरग्यां खातीर अत्यंत गरज आसा आज आयच्या ह्या वातावरणांत जशें वाचन हळू कमी गेल्लें आसा आनी जर वॉकॅब्युलरी जर वाडयतलो स्पेलिंगां जर बरी येवंक जाय जाल्यार तुमी खूब पुस्तकां वाचची पडटलीं आनी हेच ह्या गोश्टीचो एक उद्देश आसा आनी ही एक्टिविटी वर्सान वर्स हांगा जावची आनी इंडियन ह्युमन रायट्स असोसिएशन जे हांगा आमचे नवनाथ सर आसा नवनाथ सर आनी तांच्या टिमीनी जी व्हडली एक्टिविटी केल्या तांकांय खूब धन्यवाद आनी चडांत चड गोंयची भुरगीं हातूंत पार्टिसिपेट जावतलीं अशें आमकां अपेक्षा आसा आमी आमच्या तरेनय प्रयत्न करतले की चडांत चड भुरगीं हांगा पार्टिसिपेट जावची
My name is Labham Poddar, Lakshmipal Singhania Academy, Kolkata.
How has been your experience?
It's been like astounding, and I learned a plethora of new words, and like it increased my vocabulary. So I was very happy that I got this big trophy, and like I'm an avid reader, so I read a lot of books to increase my vocabulary. I watched movies like Harry Potter, in which they use a lot of good words, so I could learn those spellings.
And for how many years you have been participating?
I participated in class 1. I reached the national rank. I got 13th rank actually, and now this is my second time.
So in future also you will participate.
Yes, I will. I'll try.
And how it has helped in your studies?
Like during the English exams, when we have to use we have to write paragraphs, letters. So I can use these words so that my teacher will be impressed, and I can yes.
And have you informed your friends also to participate?
Yes, I have told my friends that I am getting an award, and they were very happy, and they were motivated, and they wanted to participate.
My name is Gayatri Sanjay Jurali, Chabichik Spring Valley High School.
So how has been your experience?
Very good and fantastic. I love to take and participate more about this.
This is your first time for the competition?
No, second time. Before I got 9th, now I'm getting 7th. I am aim to improve more to get first.
So next year it will be again it is organized, you will participate again.
Of course, I will.
Who helped you? Who guided you?
My mother, my father, and myself.
Have you informed your friends also to participate?
Yeah, they will participate, but they didn't get this time.
There is some other competition which is organized by BISCO International, that is drawing competitions, double derby, like such competitions. Will you participate in that also?
Yes. Vanshika, I'm from class 3B from Sharda Mandir School, Kadamba, Goa. I want to thank my teachers and parents for helping me and supporting me, and I also want to thank the organizers of Spellbee.
So you enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Did it help in your studies?
Yes.
You inform your friends about this competition?
Yes.
Okay. Next year if it is organized again, you will participate?
Of course.
My name is Vansh Naik, Shada Mandir School, Kadamba. It was a good experience. I liked about the spellings. It has helped me a lot with my studies, specifically English composition.
This is your first time for the competition?
Third time.
Third time. So you have improved from like past 2 years you have.
Yes, I improved a lot.
And in your future, if it is the competition is organized and you got to know about it, you will participate?
Yes, for sure.
Anish Misra,
From which school?
Air Force School, AST, Bangalore.
Okay. How has been your experience?
Nice and very good.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
This is your first time for the competition.
Yes.
Next year also, if it is organized, you will participate.
Yes.
Now that you have won the trophy, your friends will also will be motivated by, after seeing you. So you will tell them to participate.
Yes.
My name is Erika Agarwal, Bodhi International School, Jodhpur, Rajasthan.
You have traveled from Jodhpur to Goa. So how has been your traveling experience?
It was really nice. I loved, and when I came to Goa, I traveled like to snow park and all. The parks were wonderful.
You like to Goa. So now talking about the competition, how was it?
It was wonderful. A little nervous, but I confidently did it. Didn't show the overconfidentness. So in this platform, only because of my mom and my teachers, I'm here on this platform.
Did it help in your studies?
Yes, it helps in readings and writings even. The new spellings I learned in my classes and even at school and in the books even.
This was your first time or you had participated?
No, this was my first time.
So next year also you will participate.
Obviously.
सर आता आम्ही पहिले की ह्या वर्सा 3 लाख ऑलमोस्ट स्टुडंट्स पार्टिसिपेट जाल्ले तितूंतले आमी मोजके अशे जे विनर्स आसात ते पयले कशें दिसता की कॉम्पिटिशन ग्रोथ जायत चल्ला फाटल्या वर्सा कमी जालें ह्या वर्सा मातशें वाडला नेक्स्ट इयर आनीक व्हडले जातले कशें दिसता
एक्स्ट्रा स्कूल ही संस्था 2008 सालापासून आयज गेली 16-17 वर्सां ह्या क्षेत्रांत काम करतात. आमची ही 16वी नॅशनल्स आतां 17वी नॅशनल जाता आनी दुसरी इंटरनॅशनल आमची पोरू जाल्ली आसा. आतां आमची तिसरी इंटरनॅशनल जाता. सो खूब खोस दिसता. गोंयची भुरगीं ऑल ओवर इंडियाची भुरगीं पोरूच्या वर्साक 43 स्टुडंट्स फ्रॉम इंडिया पार्टिसिपेटेड एट इंटरनॅशनल लेवल. दॅट्स अ बीग अचिवमेंट because this is the first time that Indian students are participating at international level like with a company based in Texas, USA. सो खूब खोश जाता आनी खूब आजून खूब पेरंट्स खूब स्कूल्स खूब टिचर्स आनी खूब लोकांचे आमकां कॉल्स येतात किंवा आमकां तांची मागणी आसता की हें कॉम्पिटिशन आपल्या शाळेंत जावचें आपल्या भुरग्याक तितून पार्टिसिपेट करपाक जावचें. सो आमचे परीन आमचे कॉर्डिनेटर्स आमची कंपनी आमचे एक्स्ट्रा स्कूलचे CEO सेबेस्टियन सर हे अविरत प्रयत्न करीत आसा की आमी मॅक्झिमम लोकां मेरेन तळागाळा मेरेन सगळ्यांतल्या बारीकांतल्या बारीक स्कुलांत बारीकांतल्या बारीक गांवांत भितून आमचे हे प्रेजेंटेशन्स आमचे हे प्रोडक्ट्स पावतले आनी ताचो फायदो फुडली पिळगी जी आसा ती घेवंक शकतली.
आणि नवीन कॉम्पिटिशनां काही आमी ह्या वर्सा पयलीं की पेंटिंग कॉम्पिटिशन म्हण किंवा जे डुडल्स डर्बी आसा ही कॉम्पिटिशनां काही नवी इंट्रोड्यूस जाल्या त्या विशयी थोडेशें आमकां सांग.
डुडल्स डर्बी हें ह्या वर्सा एक न्यू कॉम्पिटिशन येयल्लें आसा. डुडल्स डर्बी हें कॉम्पिटिशन हें ड्रॉइंग कॉम्पिटिशन आसा. हें ड्रॉइंग कॉम्पिटिशन जें आसा तें स्कूल लेवलाक सुरू जाता. LKGच्या भुरग्या पासून 12वीच्या भुरग्या पर्यंत एका आमचें हें कॉम्पिटिशनांत सर्तीन भाग घेवंक शकतात. त्यातून स्कूल लेवल जाता. स्कूल लेवलाक आमी तांकां एक प्रॅक्टीस मटेरियल बूक दितात. त्या बुकार ते प्रॅक्टीस करून त्याची स्कुलान स्कूल लेवल एग्जाम जाता. ताका वेगळे वेगळे प्रकारचे कन्सेप्ट्स आनी आमी दिले वतात. सो ते कन्सेप्ट बेस्ड ते ड्रॉइंग्स करतात आनी आमचे कडेन एक आर्ट पॅनल आसा जें हे आर्ट जें केलें वता तें जज जाता आनी ते जज जावन तेतूंतले भुरगे स्कूल लेवलाच्यान स्टेट लेवलाक वता. स्टेट लेवलाक ताका आमी परत स्टडी मटेरियल दिवन आमी तेंची स्टेट लेवलाची टेस्ट घेतात आनी स्टेट लेवलाक जे टॉपर्स जातात एवरी स्टेट्स टॉप 10 स्टुडंट्स आसा तेंचे जे आर्ट आसा ते आमी नॅशनल लेवलाक कन्सिडर करता आनी तितूंतल्यान आमी नॅशनल विनर्स काडटात. आमचो असोय विचार आसा की जेन्ना आमी नॅशनल लेवल फुडल्या वर्सा गोंयांत डुडल्स डर्बीचे प्रायज डिस्ट्रिब्युशन फर्स्ट टायम करतले तेन्ना आमी हांगा एक असो सुवाळो दवरतले की जे टॉप 10 नॅशनल चॅम्पियन्स आसतले ते हांगा येवन फ्री आर्ट ते हांगा परफॉर्म करतले जेणे करून गोंयचे सगळे भुरगे गोंयचे कलामोगी हे येवन हो इव्हेंट पळोवंक शकतले की कशा पद्दतीन जे भुरगे ऑल ओवर इंडियाचे रायट फ्रॉम LKG टू 12th स्टँडर्ड कशा पद्दतीन ते ड्रॉइंग करतात हे लायव्ह पळोवपाक आमकां गोंयकारांक ही संद मेळटली.
आणि सर लास्ट क्वेश्चन तुमकां की तुमकां मॅसेज कितें लोकां खातीर दिवपाक जाय भुरग्यां खातीर जे ह्या वर्सा पार्टिसिपेशन आसा फुडल्या वर्सा आनीक व्हडल्या पद्दतीन लार्ज स्केलाचेर कॉम्पिटिशन जावपाचें आसा त्या विशयी तुमकां कितें सांगपाक?
आमकां इतलेंच सांगपाचें आसा की ज्यांका कोणाक ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनान पार्टिसिपेट जावपाचें आसा तेणी अवश्य आमची जी वेबसायट आसा www.wespelby.com ह्या वेबसायटीर वचचें आमची ईमेल आय डी आसा witspelb@gmail.com. तांणी थंय मेल करची आनी रिक्वेस्ट करचें की जर आमी तांच्या शाळेन आयज मेरेन पावोंक ना जाल्यार तांणी रिक्वेस्ट करचें की आमकां ते शाळेन येवपाक. खंयची शाळा जर इच्छूक आसा अशा प्रकारचें कॉम्पिटिशन बरोवपा खातीर तांणी जरूर म्हाका कॉन्टॅक्ट करचो. हांव नॅशनल कॉर्डिनेटर गोंयांत आसता, हांव गोवा पळयता, गोवा शिवाय भायरच्या राज्यांनी आमी काम करतात. सो आमचे कॉर्डिनेटर्स 150 कॉर्डिनेटर्स थ्रू आउट इंडिया आसात. हे प्रत्येक कॉर्डिनेटर प्रत्येक शाळेन प्रत्येक जिल्ल्यांत वचून त्या गांवांनी वचून त्या शाळांनी वचून हें कॉम्पिटिशन इंट्रोड्यूस करता. सो जेन्ना आमकां पेरंट्स आनी स्कुला कडल्यान ज्यो मेल्स येतात किंवा आमकां जे कॉल्स येतात तेंचेर आमी एक्ट करून त्या शाळांनी वचून आमचो हो प्रोडक्ट तेंच्या खातीर ओपन दवरतात.
थैंक यू सर.
नव्या रविकुमार कायस, SSVP स्कूल.
आपको कैसा लग रहा है, आपको आज अवार्ड मिला है
अच्छा लग रहा है,
और आपने कितनी मेहनत की इसके लिए?
बहुत सारी.
पहली बार पार्टिसिपेट किया है?
यस.
अच्छा लगा पार्टिसिपेट करके?
ओह.
Ma'am, you have seen many students from lower KG to the 12th standard, 9th, 10th standard. So, how you feel about participation of the students?
First of all, I think platforms like this are very, very important for developing, students at this age. It not only nurtures the spirit of competition in a healthy way, but also, encourages them to be motivated, and especially in this, digital age where you see more and more kids being on their gadgets and not going outdoors to play. I think it's really important that they're motivated about things like spell bee or handwriting, and I think it has been very, very inspiring to see such little kids doing so well.
And do you think that such type of competition has to be organized on a larger scale?
Definitely. I feel, and one of the guests today mentioned it, that we need to take competitions like this across to all schools within Goa. Of course, it's happening on a large scale in the rest of India, but I think every school in Goa should have access to it and should be encouraged to get their kids to participate in it.
This being in a very competitive world, Spellbee is something very different to really put into such perspective. Number one, it is a very tough task us for our coordinator to pick up the right children. It is not about the business for quality. It is it's not about the quantity, but it's the quality of students that we need to pick up from the school level onwards. So we will this thing would be upon the focus would be on the students' dictation part of it, how they write dictation part of it, and we need to give them the scope, conducting very well. Important for a child to learn is how a particular word is pronounced. It's important to pick up because there are many words which are very different from what it's written. Say a tough word called repertoire, but you don't find wa in that. T-O-R-E-P-E-R-T-O-I-R-E. So as a child will looking for repertoire, but no, it's important a child understands the pronunciation of the word. English has grown up so much, now it is basically the language is more, all Scandinavian words are entering into the dictionary. Please be very careful. And those pronunciation for me, this is my being the 16th, 17th year I'm entering into the Spellbee. It is there are tongue twisters. It's very difficult. If I tell you something Schadenfreude, such word, people are where is this word picked up from? Yeah, there are certain words which are coming. Thousands and thousands words are being added to the dictionary nowadays. And English, we only say Greek and Latin. English is the borrowed language. English is not an original way. But now, such words are entering into the matter. Now, students have really prepared themselves very well with such kind of words. I think I see a future coming up where such dominant words are going to enter into our Spellbee, especially children should be very well prepared. I also tell my kids also, a first class child, when they come to enter into the national platform like ours. So the experience of yesterday, I think there are 3 or 4 children of class 1 who have entered 111 category. So one of the coordinators asked me, our coordinator's duty is just not going and conducting competition. We have to train up the child how to make it to the top 10. So she asked me, how do I put them into the top 10, Solomon? I told her, ma'am, which class? I said, class 1. You start off from the 3rd class, 3rd, 2nd, so that when they come to 1st class, it will be just a cakewalk for them.
So you have been working in Spell Bee for the Spell Bee competition for more than 15 years, you said. So you have seen the growth of this competition. So this year there was around 3 lakh students had participated. So next year you are looking for more students.
Absolutely, more students, because we have also now Doodle Derby coming in. I'm sure you have lots of crowd coming in next year also. So the timing was that what I was discussing with my MD also, that because May was the time. So and now that the academic year have just started, so most of the students couldn't turn up because of certain, academic is very important. We don't disturb the academics at all. So definitely, I'm sure I see a lot of growth coming in. And it's not about just a spelling competition. It's a very comprehensive English language testing skill that a child has to go through. It's just not about spelling competition. It's come to the written round.
My name is Riman Pramanik. Sharda Mandir School Kadamba. The work was intense and I had to work really hard.
And which were the toughest words you learned during this time?
Like advocate, something like these words.
So now you can spell advocate.
Yeah. ADVOCATE, advocate.
Next year you will participate again.
Yes, I'm thinking of.
And you will also tell your friends to participate.
Yes.
Akshata Josh, Kamlani Ketan, I'm from Tamil Nadu. Not here.
So you have traveled from Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
How is your experience?
It's really great. About Goa, it's a great place. And as for Spell Bee, I've been here for like the past 6 years or so, and all these years that's only helped me improve my English in a lot of ways. One of the reasons that I'm here speaking English this fluently is Spell Bee. It has a great part in it too, and this year I'm so honored to get this trophy from the chief guest, the honors, and yeah, it's a great experience. I'm looking forward to do this next year too.
As you have said that it helped you in improving your vocabulary. So you will also inform your friends to participate.
Yeah, sure. A lot of my friends still participate, but most of them didn't make it to this level. So I have encouraged a lot of others too.
So which were the words you learned this year?
A lot of words. I don't remember specifically because I don't read like from textbooks. It's just I watch a lot of movies, read books, so I don't really remember the words. But there were a lot of hard words though.
And who supported you?
My parents. My parents. All through the way, my parents.
So next year also you will participate as well.
Of course.